Hello everyone. So we're here from this analyze of these games from this one in it is called Collegiate Chess League Spring 2025. So it means Blitz Chess. So it means 5 minutes and 2 seconds increment from this one. So it means Blitz Chess of this game from this one. So it means position from this one in this collegiate. So it means Collegiate Chess League. So it means so so it means uh, so it means 5 minutes here from this game. And also have between from this Grandmaster from Colombia is Jose Cardoso versus International Master USA is Maximilian Lu. So it means Blitz chess from this game from this tournament from this one. So in this part of this video here we have analyzed here of these chess games in this Blitz chess. So white plays Jose is knight f3, d5 Lu, e3, and also g6, c4. So it means c4. And also bishop g7, pawn takes d5. So it goes reti opening, reti opening here. And also queen takes d5, knight c3 threatening queen, and also queen d8, d4, so it means d4, and also c5, so it means sacrifice by black, and also pawn takes c5, and also bishop takes knight check, so it means bishop takes knight check, pawn takes c3, and also queen takes d1 check, and also king takes and knight f6, so it means knight f6, simple ready of this one castle kingside by Lu. And also bishop, so it means bishop d3 here, so still novelty by game by Jose, so it means white pieces. Old main line is bishop e2, so it means bishop e2 are good novelty here by old main line. So bishop d3 novelty, bishop f5, so it means bishop to bishop, and also bishop b5 check. So it means if you, what do you think if you capture this bishop takes here? So it means she takes f5 captured, or maybe here is simple is bishop a3. So it means defense by c5 on this one. So back there is bishop b5 check, knight c6 here defense, and also knight d4. So it means double, sorry. So it means double here. So it means threatening knight, or maybe knight here. So it means double by knight bishop. And also knight e4 with the entering. So it means with the threatening of this one by capture this target knight f2, or maybe target by knight c3. So it means double attack from this one, double threatening double here from this one. And also king e1 defense by f2, and also bishop d7 defense by knight, and also bishop a3, so it means bishop a3 here threat, so it means not threat, so it means defense by c5. And also knight takes c3, so it means knight takes c3, so it means with the threatening of this bishop here. So it means bishop, and also decide bishop takes c6, and also pawn takes bishop, and also rook c1. So it means rook c1 with the threatening of this knight, and also knight d5. So it means knight d5, and also king e2. So it means king e2 decides move by king, and also e5 with the threatening knight, and also knight b3, f6. So it means f6 here, and also knight a5, and also rook b8. So it means rook b8 here. So it means determination by Maximilian Lu. And also knight c4. So it means knight c4 here. So it means coming of this check. So it means check. So it means decided move by knight d6 here without check. and also king e7. So it means king e7 is no need from this castling here from king side. So it means no need to this castle. And also rook hd1, bishop c8, and also king e1, bishop a6. So it means bishop a6. So it means bishop a6, and also knight a5. So it means knight a5 by Jose, threatening target by threat from this c6 without check or check, or maybe double by target this rook here from this one. So it means without capture this one. And also bishop b5 defense by c6, and also g3, and also bishop a4. So it means bishop a4 here from this one. So it means bishop a4 are first bad move by black by Lu. So the best moves target, so it means the best move is one computer is rook hd8 here. Simple is that. So it means best moves here. So back there is bishop a4. So it means with the threatening of this one rook by Jose, and also move by rook d2. So it means X move. That's not one computer. So the best moves is rook d3. So it means simple is that. Rook d3 are best moves here. So back there is rook d2. So it means f5. So it means another X move. So the best moves there is rook d8. So it means rook d8 are miss moves here. So back there is f5, knight c4. So it means another X move. So it means knight c4. So it means knight c4 is X move, another X move. So the best moves is h4. So it means h4 are move. So back there is knight knight c4, e4, knight d6, and also knight b4. So it means knight b4 here from this one, and also bishop takes b4, good move by Jose, and also rook takes bishop, rook d4. So it means another bad move by Jose. So it means bad move. So best moves is h4 are miss move here. So it means miss move by h4. So back there is rook d4 is also move is rook hb8 battery. So it means blunderatious. So blunderatious by Maximilian Lu. So it means blunderatious. So blunder by double question mark. So the best moves is capture this rook here, and also pawn takes here, or maybe hit, or maybe by this one is, or maybe rook b8 here. So back there is rook hb8, and also knight c8 check. So it means brilliant sacrifice by by Jose. So it means Jose here, and also king e8. So what do you think if you capture the sacrifice by knights here from this one, and also rook takes captured? So it means rook takes capture with the threatening of this bishop here from this one. So it means long collide, danger. So it means danger here. So it means long collides by bishop. So it means bishop doesn't move by bishop. So it means go long collides here. So it means wins for white. So back there is king e8, knight takes a7. So it means another again X move by Jose. So the best moves is knight d6 check, or and also have a, so what you put, if you king d8 here moves here, and also knight f7 check. So it means double check here. So back there is knight takes a7, and also good move by Lu. Rook takes captured, rook to rook, pawn takes, and also rook e8 threatening knight, and also rook b1, rook takes knight. So it means So it means no more knights here. So it means bishop rook by black and one rook only by Jose. So it means, so 3 seconds by Jose in white pieces in this clock, and 21 seconds by black with clock with Maximilian Lu. So it means, dying seconds. So after rook takes a7 and also rook b2, bishop b5, and also d5. So it means sacrifice by Jose, and also king d7. So if you capture this pawn takes here, if you capture this c takes d5, or maybe, so it means rook c2. So it means rook c2. Oh, so it means captured. So it means rook takes b5, or maybe here is, so it means d4. So it means d4 are developed by white and black. So back there is king d7, king d2, rook a4, and also king a3. So it means king a3, and also rook c4 with the threatening of this c5. So it means danger by white. And also pawn takes c6 check, and also king takes pawn. So it means king takes pawn. So it means danger by threatening here. I mean threatening. So it means threatening by pawns. So it means danger for pawn from white. And also rook d2, and also rook c3 check, and also king f4, rook f3 check, king g5. So it means coming, and also king takes. So it means 1 pawn down. So it means same by 4 pawns here, and also king h6, bishop d3, and also capture this king pawn. So it means 4 versus 3. So it means four white pawns and 3 black pawns. And also g5, king g6, and also g4. So it means g4 here, and also king g5, king d4, and also a4 with a coming here, push a5, e6 here. So it means push is here. And also king c3. Oh my god, king c3 are ready for move by b b4. So it means upcoming this capture this pawn. So it means already is captured. And also rook a2 with the defense of this a4, and also king b3 with the threatening of this rook, and also rook d2. So it means, so if you move there, if you rook a1, so it means it's okay. So it means determination. So move by rook d2 here, and 1 pawn down is rook takes a4. So it means same by pawns here from this one, same. And also king f6, king b3, and king e5, king c3, and also rook e2. So it means rook e2 with a, so it means upcoming check here from this one, coming check. And also bishop c2, and also rook a3 check, and also bishop b3 defense here, and rook a8 upcoming this here check. So it means coming check. And also rook takes f2. So it means 1 pawn down by white. So it means 3 versus 2. And also rook c8 check, and bishop c4 defense. So it means rook e8 upcoming this the check here. It is upcoming check. And also a3. Oh my god, upcoming push without promotes by queen. So it means upcoming. And also rook a3 check, and last shot is bishop b3. So it means upcoming this one by push here, or maybe promotes by queen here. So it means resigns by white by Colombia Jose Cardoso. So it means why so it means why he resigns, because if you rook a8 here, or maybe, and also e2, and also rook what call this rook c8. rook c8 check, and also king b2. Oh, so it means king b2, or maybe king b2. Oh, king b2, or maybe, so if you king d4, so if you king d4, and also promotes by queen, e1 queen. So if you, example, if this one, so if you move by king c5, and also queen c1, so it means trapped by rook, so it means lost from white, so it means game over. So it means lost by white by Colombia Jose. So the winner from this International Master USA is Maximilian Lu. So it means congratulations from this one in Collegiate Chess League. So I hope in this part of this video here from this one, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17. Thank you so much from this one. Have a good day. Keep safe and adios.